Hi guys. Okay, so this is the third lab, I believe, or fourth. Okay, either way works, right? And this is the Microsoft Word brochure project. So this instruction sheet is underneath contents in the resource tab. Click on content and you'll see it there, and it's just the Word movie brochure. Okay, so what I want you to do is, using a brochure template in Word, create a promotional ad or brochure for your favorite movie. Okay, if you don't like movies, you can do one for maybe like your favorite band, or your favorite, I don't know, store or something. Okay, but movies are fun. So I want you to use the trifold brochure template in Microsoft Word, and we'll open that up in just a second. Okay, I give you little instructions here. Okay, go to File, New, Brochures, Booklets, click on Brochures, view all the different brochures provided, and select your favorite. Okay, so you need to remember the following about your brochure layout. The right panel, so that part is going to be right here on this right-hand side, that's going to be your front page. Okay, the middle panel will be the back page of your brochure, and then the left panel here, that will be the middle page of your brochure. So when you open up your brochure, that's what the page you're going to see. Okay, so I want you to prepare your brochure with the following information. Okay, front page, which is your right panel, I want you to have the title of the movie and then like a picture from the movie, probably like the movie poster would be great. Okay, and then also at the bottom, I want you to include the release date. All right, on the back page, which again, this is the middle panel in your template, write a very brief movie synopsis. So synopsis is just telling me what is the movie about. So like 5 to 10 sentences is perfect. You don't need to carry on and on. Okay. A movie tagline. If you don't know what a tagline is, Google is your friend, or the internet in general. Okay. And then you can include 1 or 2 pictures from your movie here. And then on the middle fold-out page, which remember is going to be on the left-hand side of your template, I want you to write your own review. Why do you love this movie? What do you think about it? Like however long it takes you, like 5 sentences or longer if you have lots to say. Make sure your first and last name is included at the end of your review. So you want to have that as if you actually, wrote it. Okay. You can include movie review quotes from other newspapers and magazines, like this fake quote I just made up. This movie is awesome. The New York Times. All right. And then maybe you want to throw in 1 to 3 pictures from the movie. This is all depending on how much space you have left after you write your review. Okay. Submit it to me via Dropbox when you're done. You're going to be graded on creativity partially, but also mainly on following the directions well. Okay. The following webpage can help you get information about your movie. If you've never used IMDb, which stands for Internet Movie Database, it's really cool. So let's click on that and open it up. Okay. So this is this giant database with all kinds of information on all kinds of different movies. Okay. Oh, The Shining. So whatever your favorite movie is. So one of mine would be The Big Lebowski. Okay, so I type that in, pops up for me right there. Okay, here's my, it has all the information you're going to need pretty much on this page, which is why I recommend you use it. Okay, tells me the release date right here, 6th of March, 1998, right? Here's the poster from the movie. Okay, the directors, the writers, the stars. By the way, if you have not seen this movie, you need to watch it. It's so hilarious to me. It's timeless, by the way, even though it came out in 98. Okay. By the same people who made Fargo. Okay. But we're not going to talk about Big Lebowski. That's not the point. I could talk about Big Lebowski all day. There's the cast. Okay. Here's your storyline. Here, look what that is. A plot synopsis. Click on plot synopsis, and it's going to give you a synopsis, which you're welcome to use it. Use like the first couple sentences. Okay, that's up to you. Let's go back. We also have on here the tagline, okay? So that's very helpful. I told you that's one thing you need to use. What else might we need on here? Different trivia about your movie, okay? And then there's tons of pictures. So type in whatever your movie is and read to your heart's content all about it, and then do your brochure. All right, so let's open up Word. Okay. And excuse me, as usual, I have lots of background noise because I'm at home. So I hope everything's going good for you guys with this class. I know I need to get together a time for office hours, but really I feel like if you want to talk to me, just send me a question via email, and then we can even set up a time. Like I said, we can do we can discuss stuff via Zoom. So I'll see you, you'll see me, and we can just talk. Okay, so let's go blank document to start. And then let's do file. Actually, let's forget that. Go to new. Let's do search for online template, okay? And let's search for brochure. Type it in there. So it's going to pull up all kinds of brochures. Now, for what we're doing, the brochure I recommend is this guy right here. The reason being is that everything is up in a typical layout, okay? So if you go back, you'll notice some of the brochures, the middle panel here is sideways because that's what they use as their mailing section. So you don't want that. It's going to give you a giant bunch of problems if you want to do that. Okay, so click Create. I don't know what we're doing. All right, sorry, I pressed the wrong button. But anyway, once you click Create, you're going to see this template. Okay, so use the template here. This is going to be the front page, like I told you, of your brochure. This is going to be the middle inside page, and then this is going to be the back. All right, so once you have saved your pictures from somewhere, it's easy. You can come in here, change the picture. Okay, this will pull up pictures. You can do your Bing image search if you want. If you have anything on your OneDrive, also from a file. So if you've saved it to somewhere on your desktop, then you can browse from here and excuse my pictures. Okay, pull it in there and change it that way. And then underneath here, you're going to write in the release date, right? And you're going to have the title of your movie. So you're going to play around with the formatting, and it's probably going to give you a little bit of trouble because that's how Word works, unfortunately. It's also the reason we're doing this assignment, because I want you to feel a little bit of that frustration so that when we go on and we do a publisher assignment, you'll see it's much easier and much more flexible and much more willing to work with you. Okay, so that's it on this assignment. Let's come back here to our brochure. Okay, and so if you have any questions, again, just ask me, but that's it for this guy. Thanks.